Hello everyone and welcome in new tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Microsoft Office activation problem in a super easy and simple way. Then if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to support the video by giving it a like. Alright, so as you can see, I have this issue right here. First, I'm just gonna close the app. Now what you need to do is to go to the File Explorer. Then go to your logo of this. Here, choose Program Files, not Program Files x86. You will find the two of them. Just click on Program Files and here choose Microsoft Office. Then choose the first option, which is Microsoft 16. And here choose this option. Right click on the mouse and choose to add it as administrator. And that's it, the process is complete. Now just close File Explorer, go back to Word, and as you can see, the problem is fixed. You can now use Word, type, and do whatever you need. This method works for all Microsoft Office apps, including Excel, PowerPoint, and more. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a like.